Hello and welcome to this new video on how to add PayPal to Temu. So if you are new here, subscribe, press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser app. So in the top of the web browser, there is a search bar. Click on the search bar and type Temu and press enter in the keyboard. After that, the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result, that is Temu, and the interface of Temu official website will be open right in front of you. And in order to add PayPal, there are two different ways. The first way is to go towards the right hand side. There is order and payments. You can just click there and all the interface will be opened, and you just have to scroll down a little bit until you see your payment methods in left hand side. Just click on there and this interface is shown to you. You just need to press on the add a card or debit card, and when it is opened, a pop-up notification box is opened and you can just enter your PayPal details. Another way is by going to the Temu's home page. You can just go to the home page and there is card section in the right hand side. Just go to the card, and when you are here, you just have to look again in the right hand side. There is express checkout with PayPal button. Just click on there and you have to click once more on express checkout with PayPal, and after that another pop-up notification box or interface will be opened right in front of you, and here you need to enter your details about your PayPal, and you can also use bank account or credit card. And when you have entered your PayPal account and all the details that is needed, then you will be able to successfully add PayPal to Temu. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.